A last-minute change at Guilford County Schools has families scrambling tonight. Tomorrow's in-person learning has been postponed.
Pre-K through second grade students were supposed to get back in the classroom full-time tomorrow, but district leaders say we are now in the highest transmission category and it would be too risky to re-enter.
WFMY News 2's Jess Winters is live tonight with an update.
We're officially in the red, and that's the worst color to be because that's the highest risk for transmission and the very reason Guilford County Schools won't let kids re-enter the classroom full-time for the time being as originally planned. Public Health Director Dr. Ulia Van of Guilford County says for the last 14 days, the positivity rate has been 6.5%. Health officials wanted that figure at 5 or below. On one day this month, it was as high as 11%. So bottom line, the numbers aren't looking good. So instead of starting tomorrow, face-to-face learning for pre-K through second grade students will be postponed for at least a week. Since plans are changing so often and parents are frustrated, I asked Superintendent Dr. Sharon Contreras if we should just be waiting on week-to-week announcements.
So I believe that the school board will make a decision about whether week-to-week is too much for parents and if we should make a more long-term decision. But again, we believe that the consequences of not being in school are dire. So if we can get students back in school in the next 2 weeks, we're going to do everything in our power to return them to the classroom where they should be. But again, we need the community's help.
And you heard her a little bit right there, but Dr. Contreras says she's still hopeful that some students will still be able to learn in person soon. She has not given up on this semester just yet. She says the district is also factoring in mental health into the equation. Now stay tuned. There is going to be another announcement this coming Friday, so in a couple short days, and they will be announcing if some of those younger students will be able to return to the classroom in person on October 26th. So again, that announcement will come on Friday.
Thank you, Jess. Many of you are commenting on this story on our Facebook page about that decision to postpone re-entry. Whitney says, my kids won't go back until things change. It's too dangerous. Catherine disagrees with the decision. She writes, schools are better at cleaning and sanitizing than all the other places you take them. My kids have been in school 9 weeks, only 4 cases in 2 schools. They all survived.